Just real quick before we start the video, I am putting a sale on the Halloween sketchbooks that I have. This is a series of monster art and Halloween style art that I did. It's 24 pages of pure art that I've posted nowhere. It's really fun, and right now that is on sale on this channel only, okay? So the discount code when you type in is Halloween, and that's going to give you 25% off. I only have about, I think I have about a few of these left, so once these are gone, that's kind of it. So thank you so much. I appreciate all the support from everybody. Check it out.
Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Jason Voorhees spider. It's going to be nice, fun, simple, and easy. It's basically going to be in 7 minutes. It's for beginners. Stay all the way to the very end of the lesson. It is only 7 minutes, so let's get started, okay? First thing I'm going to do is, well, first thing is, if you love Halloween and things of Halloween, hit the subscribe. First thing actually is hit the like, because that's going to let you, that's going to really bring in the algorithm, bring in people, and the subscribe, and hit the bell notification if you can, if you do like Halloween stuff, because this whole channel is dedicated to Halloween. Curve over here for the top of the mask. Curve down along the side over here. Gonna keep it going. Curve along here, along the bottom. Circle for one eye. Circle for the other eye. Fill those in. Dot right here for the nose. Dot, 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 dot. There's 6 dots in the front for just kind of holes in the face and the hockey mask. 3 on the cheek. 3 in the far side cheek. One right here, one right here. Keep going. 2 right here. 3 over here on the side as well. He has a lot of holes on his face. But now what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the lines that, and I'm gonna draw them in black marker right here. See, there's an arrow right there up to his face. Another one right here, and a triangle right in the center. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the spider legs. So we're gonna come out here, down, out here, down, out here. Same thing over here on this side, up, down, and out here, down. Now, so those are the stick figure sections of it, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to thicken them out. Like so. Over here, and I'm going to connect that. And it's going to have like some thickness to the legs. Over here in the back, and then we can pull it in there. Like so. Same thing on this side. Down, here, down. All right, pulling in. And you could draw maybe like the ball of the thorax back here, right? The other parts of the spider. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna thicken out some lines over here on the front legs, because I want it to be noticeable. Curve over here, curve along here, over here, out, down, out, down, out, down. And you can kind of fill in maybe one of the back legs to make it more obvious. You can throw over here to draw segments of the leg. Right here, see like the stripes here. Oh, there you go. And I'm just gonna giving more segments to it, almost looks like a crab person, like a crab or something. And we could just draw a little bit of dark down here to put like it has some of the body that is down there. So that's kind of like more of a close-up view of the Jason spider here. Anyways, thank you so much. I appreciate it. That's pretty much it. Do me a huge favor and say hi to me in the comment section. Don't forget to check out my art book. There's very, very few of those left, and you can use the free the promo code. That'll give you, I believe, 15% off. I forget what it was. 25% off? I forgot. But go check that out. It is, you know, it's pretty awesome. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. And do me a huge favor and share the video if you haven't. It's really special to be with you guys, and I'm very excited, and I will talk to you in the next video. Let me know what you think. Give me ideas for new videos. We're rapidly approaching Halloween, and I'm gonna post all the way until Christmas, by the way, just to let you know. All the way till Christmas is when I'm gonna post. Thank you so much. I will see you next time, and we will hang out, okay? Online, I mean. See you later, and remember, stay spooky.